Yo, 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 it's your boy, Mr. Bankable. Let me turn on this monitor. Yeah, it's Tuesday. Had a win yesterday, and then I gave it back to the market. So we about to see what we can do today. Okay, that's not even the full truth. I gave it back and then I revenge traded. So I gave back a whole lot more than I wanted to. But right now it's going on 9 o'clock. As you know, we're looking at NASDAQ and oil. Let's go to the hour charts. NASDAQ is respecting this support here. This actually might be a demand area here. Let's take a look at that. Oh no, I don't know. So we're gonna see how that reacts. I'm not rushing into anything, take my time. Oil over here. Oil is consolidating, had a breakout. Almost got me too, I almost went for it. But as you can see, it's coming back into that consolidation. So sit tight. If I take a trade, I'll let y'all know. We'll be back. All right, doggone it. Oil left without me. I was looking for the pullback into this area. We got this rejection, then this candle here. And I usually enter off an engulfing. Since it didn't engulf, I didn't take it. But in hindsight, I've seen before where we got this one, which engulfs. I guess they call it an engulfing variation or whatever you want to call it. So I should have taken it as price broke the high right here. But I didn't take it. And as you can see, price has moved on without me. I'm hoping it comes back into this area. I don't know. I guess people call it a gap or something. I don't know. I've just seen price when they have wicks here and it breaks it. A lot of times it comes back. Fair value. I don't know what they call it, but all I know is I've seen price come in here and then take off after tapping in or whatever. So I'm waiting to see if it comes back. If not, it's gone. Over here on NASDAQ, I got some bullish divergence here. It's only on the 5, so I'm not really pressed about it. So I'm really waiting to see a change, shift in structure. If I go to the hour here, we had a wick on the hour. We got 25 minutes left on this current hour candle, so I'm just waiting. We got this structure here, so I don't want to take any sales just yet. Let's see where we on the hour. Call it support. So I don't think this is enough range for me. So I'm looking to see if price breaks back up here to continue up, or give me a break, full break, retest to continue down. So we'll see. But that doggone oil, man, it's a beast. It will go. Oil, I like oil. If I can ever catch it. Shoot. So let's see. All right, well, that's where we at. I'm still waiting, still watching. I'll be back if I get into something. If not, does it make sense to post this video or don't take a trade? Maybe just, maybe I'll post it anyway just to give an idea of what I'm looking at and how I'm looking at the market. So I'm kind of liking this NASDAQ, but we'll see. So that's it. That's all. I'll be back if I get into something. We'll talk with you. My bad. Took an entry over here on oil. Small entry. All right, we're just gonna let oil run. Yesterday, that mug left without me. I was not happy. So let's look at yesterday. In case you didn't see yesterday's video, I got in on this engulfing here. As this broke, took profit up here. I had 10 contracts, closed 5, stops to break even, came back, took me out. thought about getting back in on this engulfing. As you see, that would have definitely hit my TP, which was a 1 to 4, and I just stayed in it. But I didn't. Move stops to break even too early. 10 contracts, well, actually 5 because I closed 2 or closed 5 out of the 10. Ended up with $162 a day on this little move, so that would have been easily, man, I can't even do the math on that right now. Let me focus. But that was yesterday, so I want to stay in the trade. It's either going to take me out or keep going. So we'll see. I've got to start staying in my trades. Got to. I'm okay with the risk, so I got to be okay sitting in a trade. I would have liked to get in here when it touched. Would have liked to get in here. That would have been ideal. But I wasn't sure if that was the area I wanted to come back to, considering I initially had the zone up here. So I wasn't sure if that was as far as it's going to pull back. So. And I definitely should have taken more than 5 contracts, especially with my account being down. Let's see. Like I said, took some revenge trading yesterday. Account is down to 48 on 50K account. So what do you do? I started to YOLO this mug and just go for it. I have 2 more accounts, but I'm like, I don't want to get in that mentality. I don't want to have that mentality. Oil is fairly new to me too, so I don't really know how it moves. That's part of the reason why I've been getting out of trades early. Taking profits, closing positions, contracts, and getting out. We got 40 seconds left on the hour. I'm sure there's going to be some sort of pullback. I don't want to be a part of it. But yesterday, that mug kept on going. Let's see. 5, 10. Been in for 10 minutes. I don't like how that didn't close above. Your move stops up. I don't know. I got burned yesterday doing that. But I don't want to lose any more money either. Yeah, we're gonna do it. So, break-even trade. I'm at break-even. Hopefully this was a pullback on the hour to keep going. All right, I had to take something off, man. Just not really knowing how oil moves. Challenges, man, kicking my butt. It's my own fault. So we in profit, took some profit. We're just gonna let it run. 63 bucks, so not bad. Could almost pay my phone bill with that. So here's what the plan is. We get a break above, some kind of retest for this level to continue up, then I'll add some more positions. Other than that, it's either a break even, come back to break even with a $63 day, which is nothing in the grand scheme of things. Or it's gonna just take off and keep going. So we'll see. I'm gonna stop the recording and come back. All right, stop got hit. I'm gonna look for another entry. I know there had to be a pullback on the hour. Like I said, I just didn't want to lose any more money. So waiting for a wick to get formed, and then we're looking to get back in. And I'm betting if I'd have left my stop here, I wouldn't have got taken out. But can't be giving back any more money. Missed my entry again. Wanted to take it on this candle, but missed it. Nasdaq is playing, so we just gonna focus on oil today, which I should have did yesterday. I took 5 off that 10. I didn't want to do 10. I don't like how this is setting up. Hopefully we get a push above, then I can add back to my contracts. Add more contracts, I should say. Because I missed my entry down here. I don't want to fool with it. We about to get smacked. It's fine. All right, so I think I should call it a day. Small win. Yesterday, I was in profit for the day. Took another entry, lost. Tried to get it back, lost. So, I think I should call it a day. $100 day. $100 a day, keep the creditors away. And I'm not liking how this is looking over here, so yeah. Nasdaq is consolidating, as is oil. So if I get a close above here though on Nasdaq, I may look again. But for now, that's it. That's all. It's a W. It's your boy, Mr. Bankable. I'll let you know if I get back in.
A few moments later.
What it do? 2 o'clock Central. Jumped in for another position. I got in a little too early. Got in a little too early. Where did I get in at? I was on the 5. I got in on this candle here. Didn't wait for it to close. And as you see, I went into some drawdown. Barely in profit now. Well, not now. So let's see what's gonna happen. I saw divergence. I was really looking for a quick scalp. Saw divergence. 1, 2, 3, 5. Bearish divergence. I might have missed it. Might have missed it. This may be a loser. I took 1 contract on Nasdaq, so we'll see what happens. Should have got out here and just called it because it is, like I said, 2 o'clock. But I do see some divergence, so it's so funny. Price, I promised the market be looking because that mug came right to my entry and stopped. Like, for real? It like never fails. Or maybe I'm just getting in at an area. I don't know, but I swear the market be watching. I swear. I mean, look at that, right at my entry, turn around. That's some bull. I know y'all watching. Down here would be beautiful. Or even here. Will be beautifuler. So these are my targets if we break. 1, 2. The most beautifulest thing in the world. Just like that. Why is that mug stalling in my entry though? Tell me they ain't watching. Tell me. Prove me wrong. Tell me this mug they not watching. Tell me they not watching. I was just gonna keep stopping right there. I should just get out. I really should. A little bit more. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. 2 minutes left on the 5. I don't anticipate it coming. I don't know, man. You just don't know. That would be beautiful. Let me get this out of the way so I can see my profits. 50 would be beautiful. But we ain't gonna press our luck. So we know about right here is about 50. See how this 5-minute closes? In 1 minute. I'm done. 50 bucks. We're done. Should have held it, but should have held it. Should have held it. Should have held it. I said should have held it, not Siri. All right, that's it. That's all. That's another small W. Add that to the day. It's your boy, Mr. Bankable. Now watch this mug just drop. That's all.